If you're still waiting 3 weeks or more for your customer to get their dropshipping order, then your business is definitely failing. But what if I told you you can get private labeling with fast shipping times with zero minimum order quantity? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can set up fulfillment for your Shopify dropshipping store. This is the exact way that you want to use BS dropshipping to the best of its abilities. A lot of people think that you have to spend thousands of dollars, buy thousands of units of a product just to get private labeling on the product, like branding on the packaging or on the actual product. But with BS dropshipping, that's far from the truth. BS dropshipping is one of the well-kept secrets that a lot of dropshippers are not telling you about. So let's get right onto my computer and I'll show you exactly how all that's done. Okay, so the first thing you need to do to set up BS dropshipping fulfillment with your Shopify store is you need to create your account. So go ahead, click the link in the description, create your account, add your full name, email address, set a password, and then add your phone number. Just simply click sign up. And then we already did this. So right here, you can see we're already signed up. We have our account set up, ready to go. All we have to do is connect it with Shopify, which is super simple and easy to do. As you can see here, we already have the button connects to Shopify. So before you do click this button, what you want to make sure is you're actually signed into your Shopify store already so that it simply just connects to the account. What we're going to do, go here, click connect Shopify, and then all we're going to do is click install. If you're not signed into your Shopify store, then you can also go to the Shopify store, click search, go to apps, click app settings, go to Shopify App Store, and then simply just search up BS Dropshipping. And you click it right here, so you can see BS Dropshipping, brand no MOQ. Okay, so you can see private label, no MOQ, speedy order fulfillment, tons of winning products available. Okay, so I'm going to do here is click install. Now we just have to confirm that we're going to connect this to our Shopify store. So we just click install here. And now it's going to take you to this page right here. And all we're simply going to do is already have an account because we did create an account earlier on. So already have an account. And then you're simply just going to log into your account. So now when we log into our account, you can see it's been successfully connected. The Shopify store is right here, connected store. And then as well type Shopify. So that's how you connect your Shopify store with BS dropshipping. Super simple and easy to do. And there you have it. So before we go ahead and go over the entire BS dropshipping website, I want to first actually add a product to our Shopify store so I can show you exactly how to request a quote for the product you're going to sell. So in our Shopify store, we're going to go here to products. And then whatever product you're selling, just simply add the product with an image of the product. So for the sake of the video, I just added a random product. You can see desk punching bag is the product we've added. So make sure it's an active product on your store as well. Make sure there's a title for the product and there's an image of the product. So now all you have to do is go into your BS Dropshipping account and you can see the product we just made is already here. Instantly, we have the product here. In this tab here, sourcing and branding, all you have to do is go to your product, right? And click ask quote. Now, this will take less than 24 hours for you to actually get a quote for your product. And to actually see the quote, you just click view quote. So you can see our status right here has this timer here, and that means it's going to take some time, but they're working on getting you that quote. So now that you know how to get a quote for your product, let's just do a quick rundown through the entire BS Dropshipping backend dashboard. This is where new orders will come up, pending payment, processing orders, support tickets that you've made towards this customer support team at BS Dropshipping. Then as well here, you have my announcements. So any announcements that are happening when it comes to fulfillment, any delays and stuff like that. Then as well in the bottom right corner here, you have a customer support team that can actually help you with any of your questions or concerns you may have. You simply just text them and they'll respond to you. Now, when we go to quotation here, you can actually see the product that we requested a quote for. Like I said, status, there's a time symbol here. So we're just waiting for the quote and they will simply just update you with the price point. Then when we go to sourcing and branding here on the left side, if we go to sourcing, you can see all the products that we've added here. So you can actually have multiple Shopify stores on your account. So you can see here, we have one right now. We'll just click here. And then you can see here, we have the product here, view quote. If you want to ask for another quote, you can simply do that when you add more products to your Shopify store. Now, when we go to branding, then here under sourcing and branding, you can actually see, you can add your logo, on your cards, product packaging, shipping packaging, any of that stuff. You can actually add your logo onto those things, which is a great addition. And the best part about it all, there's no MOQ. So you're not going to need to order a certain amount of product just to get your logo printed on your product or on the packaging. At the end of the day, we all want our customers to have the best experience. So with BS Dropshipping, you're able to get that. So now in the orders tab, you can actually see here, this is where all your orders will come up. So when someone purchases the product from your Shopify store, that order will come up here. You have an account balance of money that you have on the BS Dropshipping account to fulfill your orders, any pending orders, pending payment, all this kind of stuff. Then as well here, I really like this addition because you can actually see the store name. So if you have multiple stores, you can actually see the store name here. You can see the BS order number, client's order number from the Shopify store, the customer that they're from, the client. You can see the tracking number, product cost, handling fee, total cost, shipping status, and any actions they're taking. So this is all here for you to kind of help you. Then also, if you just want to search up an order number or the product name or customer name or country, any of this information, you can simply do that by just searching it up through here. So you'll never lose any order. Then when we go here to support tickets, so any support tickets you make with the customer support, they'll all be here. So you can go looking back on them, or if you want to open any tickets, you can do that here. Then you can see here billing. So this is where you have your account balance. So any money that you have in your account, any refunds that happen or anything like that, you'll get a credit directly to your BS Dropshipping account that you can use for future fulfillment. So sometimes when you're scaling your Shopify dropshipping store, you're going to want to actually get fulfillment to the warehouse so you can have that faster fulfillment instead of getting that 3 to 5 day delay. So what you can do is you can actually get stock to the warehouse of your fulfillment team. So this is where all that will come up. So you can see the stock of your product, how much product is at that location, and all that information you can simply just search through here. I really like this addition. So it actually shows you exactly how much inventory you have at that warehouse. Then you can see here store management. So this is where you'll connect your Shopify store. If you want to add more Shopify stores, you can see all of them listed here. Then you also have this addition where you can add roles. So if you want to add your customer support agent or anybody else on your team, you can simply add a role and connect them to your BS Dropshipping account. So you can see here, check shipping fee. This is where you can actually get a quote to see how much it's going to cost for whatever product you're selling, the weight, length, width, height, and how much it's going to cost to be shipped to any country in the world. You can simply just put it here and then view logistic fee, and you can see how much it will cost to get shipped to that country. So I hope you did enjoy that video and you know how to set up BS Dropshipping, get your first quote, and how to navigate through the BS Dropshipping website. So hopefully you enjoyed that video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.